Hi guys, now is July 20, 2026, Monday. Guys, thank God at last and finally dumating ang in-order ko na t-shirt galing sa shop na Epic Clothing Streetwear. Sila, ang ganda po. Thank you so much po. Oh, Dragon Ball Z. Hindi pa. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. What can you say guys? What can you say guys? Do you like it or not guys? What do you think guys? Oh, di ba? Bago lang oh. Epic. May free pa na ano, sticker. Seller, ang ganda. Oh, Epic t-shirt. Dragon Ball Z. Oh. Tapos oh, Epic. Oh. Ang ganda. Oh. Ang mura-mura lang guys. Tingnan nyo lang sa link ko. To all my friends po and supporters po. God bless po sa ating lahat. God bless us all and that's all. Peace.